Today I want to take you on a bike ride through Griffith Park in Los Angeles. I want to show you what it looks like to take your bike from home on a street through LA, through traffic hour. By the way, it's like 5 p.m. and we'll just go straight to Griffith Park and do a lap and then just go back. It's probably about an hour bike ride, so depending on the traffic, also depending on the traffic lights, you will see how it goes. I always hope nothing happens on the ride. You will see yourself. So as always, traffic, shitty street, and other obstacles in the way. So let's see how it goes. If you want to see more stuff like that, just like the video and subscribe if you want to. As you heard already from me, I like to take my road bike and go biking. Where can I go? Just from the apartment. I try to figure out what's the best, where's maybe the least traffic, and where it's kind of safe for biking. Griffith Park, where also the Hollywood sign is. You can do a couple laps. It's not huge, but it works well for kind of a 20-minute lap, plus minus, just for me jumping on a bike and riding all the way to the park and then just do some laps. And today we'll just do one lap because I want to show you what it looks like. We're not going to the Hollywood sign today. Next time we'll... I sped up the video a little bit so it's not too boring just watching me an hour riding a bike, but you can always stop and pause and look at it, how the street looks like, how the traffic looks like, what it is like biking in LA. And if you're just sitting there watching the video, I recommend you highly getting Toby's house light in, which is up there. Enjoy my bike ride. But it was good, I was sweating and it was sunny. What else do you want to add?
Let's go. somehow safe back.
We made it back. Here you can see a summary of the route I did. This is from Strava. I'm also posting a link in the description below for Strava, so you can also do the same route or similar route if you want to do that. Here you can see the summary of the whole bike ride, the distance, the time, and also the elevation, and also, which is nice, the temperature. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think about it. Next time we'll go to the observatory, and we'll show you that path, and I'll take you there. I hope you enjoyed the bike ride. It was just an hour. Thanks for watching. Tschüss!